Nityanandam, everyone. Nityanandam. My name is Manitya Yogananda Swami, and I'm here.
My name is Sri Nitya Parantapananda.
Probably all of you know him because you are in his you're his friend in Facebook.
Yes.
So tell me, Maharaj, what you wanted to share today?
Oh man, there's so many things. There's so much stuff that is going through my space right now. So much bliss, like so much. I'm feeling so much dedication towards Swamiji's mission and really making it happen for all you out there who want to raise your consciousness, who want to go to the next level from man to superhuman with Swamiji. Because just living here with him and experiencing that, like there's nothing else that's more meaningful in my life. And I've done a variety of spiritual seeking. I've pursued like very different paths, and I can say like nothing even comes close to being with Swamiji. So I'll just start off by saying that.
Yes. So today, basically, we just wanted to extend this very important information to all of you, because it is something the whole world needs to know about, which is this beautiful opportunity, the beautiful door for the cosmos is opening up to everyone who's been seeking, who's been praying, who's been yearning, who's been looking in every corner, in every yoga studio, in every corner of the world, in so many ways, in every spa, in every healing therapy. All of us are looking for that thing, right? That thing. What is that thing that we're looking for? That completion, that beautiful inner space. It is more than just relaxation. It is more than healing the body. There's something else that we're looking for.
It's a deep yearning that you just can't find the answer to in the West.
Exactly. And now, Cosmos is opening up that door. It is opening up the opportunity for you to come and get that experience. Get this experience for yourself. No more seeking, no more yearning, no more suffering. I know I have been there, and I know all of us have been there. So it is so important for me, for both of us, for the whole Sangha, for everyone living as an Adinavasi, to share this with all of you. Because right now, Swamiji has opened up a beautiful opportunity called Yogitwa. Yogitwa is basically like a yoga camp, where you get to spend 21 days of your life living in the highest energy field, eating the best quality food, organic, sattvic, Ayurvedic. It doesn't get better than this. And eating, spending time learning about the ancient yoga, not the regular yoga that you can find in any studio, nowhere in the world. The yoga as per Sadashiva, the one who created this science. Nowhere in the world this yoga is available. Directly with the scriptural references, what we know as the Shastra Pramanas. This science of yoga is getting revived. And this is a yoga that is designed not only to bring all the benefits in your physiology, as we know. It's not just designed to bring all that good looking and feel good feeling. It is designed to shift your consciousness, to take you to the next level. It is designed to prepare you to have the highest conscious experience of the purpose of your life. It is designed to experience that oneness with the cosmos. It is designed to awaken the extraordinary Shaktis, the extraordinary yogic powers that are latent within you, waiting to express, waiting to manifest, waiting to live the true purpose of your life. So this is the opportunity to experience yoga at its best, to experience the energy field at its best. And above all, if this is not the best thing in the world that you have heard, still to top it up, there's something much more important, which is what?
Mahasadashivoham.
To live with Sadashiva, to live and experience Mahasadashivoham. It is to be with the Master, to experience that one touch that you've been waiting for. Swamiji clearly said in one program that enlightenment can happen to you only through the touch, one initiation of the Master is enough. And then the question is, how come I'm not able to receive it? What's happening? What do I need to do to be able to receive that transmission, that entanglement, the Shaktipada, for me to realize the ultimate, for me to realize what I am? Swamiji said, all you need is to prepare your body. Your body has to be strong enough to hold the experience of the ultimate, to radiate the Shaktis, to manifest the Shaktis, to hold that high frequency. It's like a 10,000 volt energy, right?
It's
you have
all
to have
in
the
your
right.
neurology and physiology.
Yes, you have to have the right vehicle, right? The
Yes,
right
of
instrument
course.
to withstand that energy. So this is the opportunity to prepare yourself for that. This is the opportunity to awaken yourself to that. This is the opportunity to realize yourself as one with Sadashiva.
Such a beautiful opportunity, man. I'm so excited for this program. I'm probably not even going to be participating in it, but man, what you just said just blew my mind. Like,
It is
it's
nothing-
gonna be
I-
so amazing.
I know I was waiting for something like this. I would have died for something
Yes.
like this. And like me, there's 10 billion, I don't know how many people in the planet are just waiting for this opportunity because
It's-
guess what? It's 21 days. And it's here in the ashram, in the
Yes.
presence of the master, in the breathing space. You get to see him, you get to experience his energy darshans, have direct initiations, and just melt when you see the master. Your being will just melt. And this is the only thing you need to pay is $500.
This is so huge because I've actually looked at yoga training courses when I lived in Arizona in the West, and I'm telling you, to go to Hawaii or to do any yoga training course in the United States, it costs at least like $5,000 to $10,000, maybe even $12,000 for a course that doesn't even offer authentic yoga. It's just what somebody has made up that's worked for them, and they teach it. They've made a business out of it.
Nothing
isn't-
wrong with
yes,
that. Please
of course,
understand,
like,
everyone, it is great that yoga has become such a popular thing.
Of
That is
course.
fantastic. But if you want the real thing, this is a chance.
that's
you
mainly
should
what I
not
was
miss
getting
it.
at,
Yes, yes.
I strictly want to say there's nothing wrong with that, but this is like the true authentic source. And if
The only
that's
thing
your
wrong is that
thing,
it's a
yes.
long path. You're gonna get.
Oh, yeah.
We'll not talk about that. We'll talk about what we have available because this is the
not get
straightforward way.
sidetracked, yeah.
This is the fast forward way. Not only you get to experience all of these amazing possibilities through yoga, through the authentic yoga, through the Shivastamba yoga, which is performing asanas on a wooden pole. As the Agamas explained, more than 60,000 years ago, this practice was very popular by Sadashiva. And we get to experience the Nityananda Kundalini Raju, which is a yoga on a beautiful, on a rope, where you perform all of these things that just expand your possibilities in the body, your flexibility, your power and strength, stamina. Everything will just improve like anything. But it's not only that, it is at the end of the program, you're going to be certified Acharya. You'll be able to teach this science to
You
the
could
world.
bring this to the world.
You can share this,
Yes.
be
Oh
the
my
new generation, the revolutionary, the ones who are going to change the whole perspective of yoga in the world. Be part of the first batch. Do not miss this opportunity. It's just waiting for you. No obstacle is there. It's only a decision. If you're interested, leave a message right now. We'll reply to you. We'll help you make it
Yes.
happen. There's no obstacle. Trust me. I myself have manifested so much of this reality beyond all the obstacles, beyond all the impossibilities. I'm living as a Purna Sannyasi, coming from a completely different background. Made it happen because of my decision and because of Swamiji. So if I'm here, trust me, any one of you can make it. There's no obstacle. And even Parantapa, all of us have so much to share about this. So do not miss this opportunity. Do not miss this opportunity. Just message us, comment below. We'll help you make it happen.
Yes.
Till you are here, it is our responsibility to help you. Okay? And even while you're here and after you're here, forever, you're going to be part of our family. We're going to be here supporting you to realize everything, to realize the ultimate by the side of Swamiji. So please let us know.
Yes. So,
Okay? Anything else?
I think that's it.
Yes, I'm getting a
Just
phone
want-
call.
Okay, so thank you
So
guys
thank you so much.
for joining this live video, and we'll see you here soon.
Love you, Nityananda.
Yes, Nityanandam.